Students, let us study about covalent bonding in carbon. Most of the carbon compounds are poor conductor of electricity. The melting and boiling point of acetic acid is 290 K, 391 is ethanol, and 150 K and 351 of these data are the force of attraction between these molecules is not very strong. Acetic acid and ethanol, these are not very strong in an good conductor of electricity. Since users, let us study about carbon. The electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2, means atomic number is 6. In case of carbon, atomic number is 6. It has 4 electrons in its outermost shell and needs to gain or lose the electrons to attain the noble gas configuration. It could gain 4 electrons, forming C4 minus anion, but it would be difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold in L shell, 10 electrons, to form the 10 electron. Okay, the electronic configuration is the gaining of 4 electrons. It could lose the 4 electrons, but it would require a large amount of energy to remove the electron, leaving behind a carbon cation. 6 protons in its nucleus holding in just 2 electrons. And to overcome this problem by sharing its valence electron with other atom of carbon with atom of other element to form a molecule by sharing of electron in this manner. The shared electrons belongs to the outer shell of both atom and lead to both atom attain the noble gas configuration. Means after combining it has to attain noble gas configuration. For example, formation of simple molecule like hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Hence the hydrogen has 1 electron in its K shell and it requires one more molecule to fill the K shell. It has to attain to the octet rule. So hydrogen atoms share their electron to form a molecule of hydrogen H2 and each hydrogen atom attain to the electronic configuration nearest to the noble gas, that is helium, which has 2 electrons in the K shell. The shared pair electron is said to be constitute a single bond between the two hydrogen atom. There is a single bond is formed between the hydrogen atom. Let us study about the oxygen molecule. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Means there are 6 electrons in the total. The atomic number is 8. In the K shell, 2 electrons, L shell, 6 electrons, 2 lone pair of electrons in both the oxygen atom. 2 electrons of one oxygen and another oxygen combines, there is a formation of. In case of oxygen, the atom oxygen has 6 electrons in L shell. So each atom of oxygen shares 2 electrons with another atom to constitute a double bond between the two atoms. So oxygen molecule to form by the 2 shared pair of electrons. Means 2 double bonds are formed in oxygen. Let us study about the methane molecule. Methane, the hydrogen 1 electron is present, 1 atomic number is 1. Carbon is atomic number is 6, but in L shell 4 valence electrons are present. K shell 2 electrons. They are lone pair of electron, 4 electrons. The bonds are formed by sharing of electron pair between two atoms are called covalent bond. These bonds are very strong within the molecule, but intermolecular force is also very small. Means the atomic number is 6. In K shell 2 electrons are there and L shell 4 electrons. These are valence electrons and they are poor conductor of electricity.